Hi, today's topic is computer. Can anyone tell me what the computer defines or the word what it means? If not, here I am to tell you what computer stands for. It's COMPUTER, nothing but commonly operated machine purposely used for telecommunication or training, education and research purpose. It's a simple device which is doing data processing, convert, giving us the information, and it does it in very easiest way. Make it convenient and time saving. A computer consists of mainly five components: input unit, output unit, control unit, memory unit, arithmetic, and logic unit. Now, when we say input unit, as we know, even if the input is not fetched, we will not get any output. That is a common part. But when we say computer does not understand English language, so whatever is been typed on the keyboard, that language is been processed in a binary form. Now, when we say binary form, it is just zeros and ones. So that if it is a sentence, like if you just type, my name is Shreya. So that full sentence will be converted into a binary form. It will be in zeros and ones. And in that form, it understands that, okay, this has to be displayed. So what we get on an output or a page, that is this output, what we call it on a monitor. But since that is considered as a what we is been typed, is been shown on the display. Now, when it comes to output unit, it can be hard copy and a soft copy, right? Soft copy is always which is present on our system or displayed on the monitor screen, and hard copy what we get it on a paper, which is print out using a printer. So printer is again a device which is called as an output unit. Then you have input. If we say a keyboard is the input unit, then joystick, pen drive, whatever is like storing, as well as you input it from that particular source. Then comes a memory unit. When we enter the data into the computer using an input device, that entered information is immediately getting saved in a memory unit. And that memory unit is present in central processing unit, which we call it as a CPU. Because that presence of some existing programming, the memory unit transmit the data further to the other parts of the CPU, like for the processing. Similarly, when the output of the command is processed by the computer, it is saved in the memory unit before giving to the output to the user. Then comes the control unit, which plays again a major role. This is the core unit which manages the entire functioning of the computer device. It is one of the most essential component of your computer system. Now, control unit collects the data entered using the input unit or an input device, what we call, which leads it on to the processing, and once that is done, receives the output and present to the user. It can be said to the center of all processing action taking place inside a computer device. Now, basically, the instructions taken or interpretation of the entered data, issuing of signals to execute the data, and then finally retrieving the data is all done in a control unit. Then we have called as arithmetic and logical unit. Sometimes what we have, only it's not that only we need to type and get it print out or get the data saved or information saved. Sometimes we do it arithmetic operation also, like data sheets, computing. Then you require in Excel we do a lot of calculation part. So in that case, that arithmetic also plays an important role. Like the name suggests, arithmetic is it is a mathematical calculation. So that calculation and other logical things which is been is performed in the CPU itself. So that is again you have a separate unit in the central processing unit. So it can also perform actions like comparison of data, decision making. So that ALU comprises of the circuits using the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the parts which these are the things which is involved. And then we have the major part is your central processing unit. We call it as a heart of the computer because again it has if the CPU is not there, your memory unit, your control unit, your arithmetic and logical unit will not exist. So that is again the heart or a brain of a computer which plays an important role in a computer. So this carries out the what is computer and what are the different parts of